Introducing our range of hotun SF dry trap tundishes featuring John Guest Speedfit inlet connections. Hotun SF has a flow capacity of 16 litres a minute, hiflo SF 25 litres a minute, and XLSF an incredible 40 litres a minute. Hotun Shield is used to prevent access to potentially scalding hot water. See PRV easily with our open-sided construction, essential for diagnosis and easy maintenance. What does hotun do? Have you or the installer ever wondered how the PRV water is going to get outside the building? If you have, hotun was probably your answer. Hotun simply allows a PRV to be connected to an internal waste or source stack, provided an internal, visible discharge without smells or odours. In many situations, like Undersink units, in lofts, landlocked airing cupboards, tower blocks. In fact, as long as you have an internal drain, hotun is the go-to alternative solution. How is hotun different to a standard tundish? Because of its patented one-way valve, it allows water to flow freely one way, but stops odours coming back up from the drains the other. Hotun is no ordinary tundish, from trickle flow to full bore discharge. In fact, up to 40 litres a minute full bore discharge. The benefits of fitting a hotun: it is simple, compliant and saves money. It is RAS approved. If you have a problem routing your PRV outside, hotun will probably be your most cost-effective answer on a boiler, on an unvented hot water cylinder, on an undersink water heater. In fact, it can be fitted in the tightest of spaces. Introducing the Speedfit range. Hotun, it's not just a tundish,